Complex coding is no longer required to create a website. Creating a beautiful website without writing a single line of code is now simpler than ever. I've been working in web development since 2013, traversing numerous systems and understanding various programming languages, and I can tell you it's never been easy. But currently in the world of web development and web design, there are so many platforms you can use to create a website without writing a single line of code. And in this video, I will be sharing with you at least 2 platforms each you can use to create a website depending on the path you choose to go for or depending on what you want to use a website for. Talking about the path to go for, let's say you're a graphic designer, a lawyer or a painter and you need a website to showcase your service or put yourself out there, or you're a writer or a blogger and you want to publish or kind of share your content with a large number of audience, or you're into selling of stuff, either being a digital product or physical product, or let's even say you want to create a website for people, like becoming a web developer for other people, creating a website for other people and getting paid without writing code, without having to learn any kind of programming language, HTML, CSS, or any kind of programming language you can think of. Then stay with me because I have something amazing for you. But before then, I want you to get a clear understanding of a web app and a website. A web app is like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You need to become a programmer. You need to learn a particular programming language before you can develop a web app. So in this video, we're talking about website, which is primarily a place you can showcase your service, sell stuff, or publish content. So let's start from part number 1. I want a website to showcase my service or show myself out there. If all you want to do is display yourself or your service, then the first platform I will recommend for you is an amazing platform called Carrd, like C-A-R-R-D, Carrd. Carrd is more than just a platform. It's an amazing one-page website. And the beauty of one-page website is having all your complete internet presence neatly described on a single page. That does it really well. It is your opportunity to present your work, your talent, and your enthusiasm in the most direct manner. But you might ask me, what does one-page website look like? One-page website is all about concentration. They focus on what really matters. Your narrative, your work, your content information. It's like a digital business card. With Carrd, you don't have to worry about confusing layout or overloading your visitors with too much information. It all comes down to presenting your point easily and efficiently. And the amazing thing is, Carrd has a super amazing user interface that is very friendly, which allows you to design your one-page website within minutes or a couple of hours. Here is the amazing part. With Carrd, you can design your one-page website using your mobile phone. It's super simple and super easy. But let's say you even want something more than just a page website. You want something that will allow your visitors to have access to multiple pages. Then the second option, which is Weebly, is best to go for. Weebly is another alternative if you want to showcase yourself or your service on your website. Weebly is your portal to limitless creativity. You can create a website that is as unique as you are using Weebly. I mean, just the way you want the website to look like. Consider a platform where your ideas may come to life in real time. Weebly has a variety of templates and themes, allowing you to create a website that genuinely expresses your style and personality. Weebly is not just about look, it has functional components like blogging, e-commerce, and so many others. The good thing is Weebly makes the process simple. It is extremely basic and straightforward to use, using their already made template. Weebly drag and drop interface makes creating your dream website as simple as dragging an item into a position or into a position. And the amazing thing is it's free, though they have a paid version. But believe me, with the free version, you can literally design or create any kind of website you could think of or any kind of website you want. So if all you want to do is showcase yourself or your service, then I'll tell you to try one-page website, which is the Carrd, or Weebly if you want something more than just one-page website. That brings us to part number 2. I want a website where I can publish and write content. Then if all you care about is publishing content, or you're a writer, you want people to get hold of your material or whatever you're into writing or your writing skills, then the first platform I will recommend for you is Substack. Substack is an amazing platform that combines a newsletter and web pages. Once you sign up, you get your own internet domain, for example, lodocreative.substack.com, which you can share with your contacts or on your social media handle. And the amazing thing about Substack is that it's free. Why Substack? It is simple and extremely user-friendly. You may start small with basically your friends and your families as your subscribers. Consider having 10 individuals joyfully awaiting your stuff every weekend. Substack will send your emails newsletter to them automatically, and also you have access to a unique URL for each post, allowing you to share your content on social media. It is more than just a newsletter, it is a direct line of communication with your target audience. People who connect with your material may subscribe as you write, and your relationship will expand gradually. It's very important to remember, while Substacks provide an excellent platform for newsletters, it's typically not a website. But if you want something more than just a newsletter, then the second option in this part is Medium. Medium is a platform for travel stories, life lessons, and tech recommendation. It's like having your own digital magazine where you can write about whatever you want. And the cool thing is you can make money while you write. Consider being compensated for expressing your interest. Medium partner programs compensate you based on how many people read your articles. It is quite simple to use. You write and Medium does the rest, making your story look amazing and easy to read. So if you have a story to share, Medium is the place to do it. From personal experience to expert advice, your thought will find place. So if you're interested in writing or blogging or sharing your own personal story online or out there, then Medium and Substack is the choice for you. Part number 3, I want a website so I can sell stuff, either being a digital or physical product. Then the first option here is Shopify, especially if you're looking forward to sell physical products. It is more than just a platform, it is the gold standard for internet retailers. With Shopify, you can easily create your own online store. It is simple to modify with an extensive selection of templates and themes to help your items reach your buyers. The beautiful thing here is that there are so many companies powered by Shopify. And here is the greatest part. It is not only effective, but also simple to use. Shopify provides a free trial, letting you to discover its incredible features without paying any charges. The second option here is Gumroad, and trust me, they stand out when it comes to digital products. Not merely simple, it is also artist-friendly. Consider a platform that enables you to sell to your followers directly, establish your own pricing, and communicate with your own audience. Opening a store and signing up are both free, providing you with the opportunity to discover all its amazing features without having to pay anything upfront. If you're more of digital stuff, then Gumroad is the option to go for. That brings us to the final part, which is I want to become a web developer, which is creating sites for other people and get paid without writing a single line of code or without learning any kind of programming language. Then the best and only option I always suggest for people is to learn WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is the best tool for developing websites without coding. It's not just free, it's an open source software that powers 40% of the internet websites. WordPress was first developed as a blogging platform, but it has now expanded to include a wide range of functionality. With WordPress nowadays, you can literally create any kind of website you want, ranging from blogging, e-commerce, profile, professional website, just name it. Even these days, people use it to create web app, though it's kind of difficult, though it's kind of consume time. But with WordPress, believe me, you can create any kind of website you think of, and it's very simple, very easy to learn. WordPress offers several free templates, themes, plugins, and even page builders like Elementor. These tools allows you to design and customize your website whichever way you want or whichever kind of website you want to create. You'll be surprised of how quickly you can become a website developer with their already made template. All you need to do is install them, then customize it to your choice or your needs or the kind of website you want to create for your clients. Here is my own experience about WordPress. I'm a programmer, I learned programming language, and currently I'm learning JavaScript. But believe me, most of the websites I've designed for my clients are built on top WordPress, including my own personal site. Yes, because it's fast and there's no code needed. It's always my first choice when it comes to web development, due to the fact that it's very easy, it's very simple, it does not take time to use. And during the time I was learning, it took me less than 1 month to learn WordPress, including the features, the page builders, e-commerce, and every other thing you can think of. You may become an expert and start creating websites for others and get paid. If you want to learn WordPress within 1 month, you can do that, because if I can do it, you can do it with seriousness and dedication. Despite the fact that WordPress is free, you need a hosting site to get started, and these days there are free so many hosting websites online, which I'll be making a video on, whereby you can upload your site either on WordPress or in any kind of programming language for free using a free hosting platform. With WordPress, you can turn your web development dream into a reality. Thank you for watching, and you see me in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so.